Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're seeing this video. So I'm here to give my results. So there's this video which I did where I was teaching about bouncy curly braid, which is this hairstyle but the longer length. I asked how many hours as a stylist you feel will be able to complete that braid, and see comments everywhere. Like, I wasn't even expecting people to give me this kind of comment, but could you believe this comment said 1 hour 30 minutes? Really? You be flash? Hey God, are you a magician? Another one said 2 hours. Some person said 10 hours. Just like that, they said, because I have a system, people are working with me, so it's definitely going to maximum of 2 hours 30 minutes. So if you feel that 2 hours 30 minutes this hair should be done completely, then the short length, how long do you think it's gonna take? So most times things about braids, it's not really because it's pick and drop, like it's short, but different hairstyles has their different procedure they take to get it. First of all, the prepping of attachment, you're going to add that to the hours. Then second of all, the braiding process. Now this kind of hair is not the hairstyle that you can just rush into. Like, you have to braid the full hair completely before you go to the next step, and it's not something plenty people can actually do, because from the braiding, okay, let's say the braiding, 2 or more persons can assist in the braiding. Then the trimming also, 2 and more persons can assist. Then that other part of dipping the hair inside hot water, it's definitely not going to be more than 1 person doing that job. Okay, what about the parts which I'm gonna blow dry the hair? It's still definitely not going to be more than 1 person that is doing that job. And you forgot the fact that we're gonna section it into maybe 4 or 5 places to be able to blow dry it out properly. So in all this thing I've been saying, you can see that already, if we are to rate it by the time I'm talking, it's already hitting 5 hours plus. Okay, after the blow drying part, okay, we now have to curl the hair. Definitely more than 1 person can do that one also. And also the dipping of the hair back inside hot water, it's still gonna be just 1 person that will do that job. Then when we are done with that, don't forget, we'll have to blow dry the hair. That part is going to take about 30 minutes or 20 minutes for it to get dry properly. Or if you lose it immediately, you know it will not bounce. Then the losing. Now that part is the most important part. That part is going to take approximately 40 minutes or 30 minutes, because when you're unraveling it, you don't just drag and just like splash. No, because as you're opening it, you take your time to make sure the coils doesn't freeze out or tangle. You get the point as a stylist, so you understand this procedure. Then when you're done with that, it doesn't still end there. You're still gonna use the product you use on the hair, like the mousse, the hoisin, maybe anything you want to use on the scalp or sheen. You're gonna maybe do edges for the client. If the person wants to style the hair, you're gonna style the hair for the person. Then don't forget the most important part, we need to snap. That is still gonna take about 20 minutes of our time. So in all said and done, you can see the amount of effort, the amount of time for you to get a perfect job. So I would say 8 hours and above. If we are going to exclude a lot of parts, like the part of blow drying the head for coiling it, the part of snapping, the part of detangling it hurriedly, then it will reduce to maybe 5 hours. But you cannot definitely get that hair for 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Never possible. And also, I even forgot one part. You know, there are different kind of braid. There is knotless, like this. My own is knotless, as you can see. And there is Bob Marley, the one that will pick with the attachment from the ground. So definitely there are 2 different things entirely. So you know, knotless, you have to take small and be plated. Why Bob Marley, you just take one big one and you mat. You see, so that's just the difference. Some persons were complaining, why the stress, why do it like the hair doesn't last upon all the stress. You see, mine, I've been carrying it for a while and I'm still rocking the hair. In fact, the funny thing is that if you check one of my video I made when I was trimming this hair short, you can trim it short like this and rock it short if you're tired of the long length. So you can even just decide week 1 long length, week 2 bra length, week 3 shorts like this, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for commenting. I love you so much. For the likes, everything, I love you with all my heart. So guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, drop her mercy comment section, share this video so that others can see it, and follow us. Much love from Q-Bambi's Ventures. Bye.